This is example 5 of lesson 8D, creating the truth table. So this is the question we're going to work with. And I'm going to just change colors to our first part of our truth table, where we have an if and only, or sorry, an if then, not if and only, an if then statement. So if we go back to our previous slide where we have our formula packet for the implications, we're going to look at those truth values and the rule. So here is our implications rule. For this statement to be true, we're looking if P is true, then Q must also be true. If P is false, then Q can be either. So if we look at column 1 and 2, both of them are true. False, then true is still fine. False, then false is still fine to be true. So the only one that's not true is when you have a true, then a false. It's going to make it a false. All right, so we're going to use that chart to help us with this first example. All right, so here is our implication symbol. We're looking at column 1 and column 2. So we have a true and a true, so the rule says it's true. We have a true and a false, so on that previous slide, that's considered false. False and true, that's fine, it's true. False and false, it's considered true. All right, now we're ready to take and add our last column. So it's Q conjunction, which that symbol is the word and then P, then Q. All right, so we're going to be looking at column 2 and column 3, and it's going to be a conjunction. Let's go back to that previous slide for the rules for conjunction. So for conjunction, here's your conjunction rules. It's true when both of them are true. So column 1 and 2, both of them are true, so that conjunction would be true. The rest of them are both not true, so conjunctions only are when they are both true. So we're looking at, again, column 2 and column 3 and their truth values. So this one is true and that one is true. They're both true, so your truth value is true. This is false and false are both not true, so your truth value is false. These are both true, that's what you want, so your truth value is true. False and true, they're both not true, so it's considered false. So these are your truth values for your question D.